So all of us work with our teams on a weekly basis, one-on-one. So we'll have time where we just meet with the teams, but often we are also talking with individual team members and team leads outside of class time. And we're certainly working with them online, saying, hey, I saw this report or this article, or I want to introduce you to someone. So there's a constant flow of information. But we do develop, I think, a pretty strong personal relationship in the sense that we're really trying to tie everything from this class into the individual student's professional development, right? These should be experiences that can be leveraged to be either stronger in an interview because you have this great case you've worked on to talk to, or just to be able to translate the skills from the class into their next internship or job. And so part of that connectivity is just understanding what are the interests, motivations, and aspirations of each of the students. How can we pull this in? Do they come from consulting, but they want to transition into a more specific aspect? Do they come from product management and they want to get into consulting? How could they frame this experience on their resume? And what are some of the companies that they want to go talk to, but also have connections back to Berkeley, understand IBD, and how valuable this can be? So in some ways, we span the academic and the career management, both with this class because it's applied, but also just because of the nature of the class and the timing being in the spring semester.